children.
Hello, curious explorers. Today I am taking you on an amazing journey into the mysteries of human memory. Have you ever heard of the Mandela Effect? It is a fascinating phenomenon where a large group of people remembers something that actually never happened. How is that possible? Let us discover this puzzle together on Knowledge Island. In the Cave of Riddles, I met Elephant and Macaw. They were both surprised that so many people remember things differently from how they really happened. Elephant was sure it was because people often repeat things at dinner, and if you say something 5 times while eating potatoes, it just sticks forever, even if it is not true. Macaw, on the other hand, thought it was all because people do quizzes in groups, and when one person says something confidently, everyone else believes it and forgets what they knew before. Of course, I explained to them that neither potatoes nor quizzes are the main reason. It is just that our brains can make mistakes, especially when many people hear or repeat the same version of a story, even if it is not true. On the bridge of thinking, I met Tiger and Capuchin, who were talking about examples of the Mandela Effect. Tiger told a story about how many of his friends were convinced that a famous cartoon character wore a certain color of clothes that never actually appeared on screen. Capuchin remembered that many of her friends recalled a famous movie line that the character never actually said. I explained to them in detail that these false memories happen when our brains try to fill in gaps in memory using other information or suggestions from others. In the Golden Grotto, I met Vulture and Bat. I decided to test their knowledge and asked what they knew about the Mandela Effect. Vulture explained clearly that it is a situation where many people share the same false memories that are not supported by facts. Bat added that this can happen because people talk to each other and unknowingly influence one another, changing their own memories. I praised them for their great knowledge. The Mandela Effect shows that our memory is sensitive to suggestions and cognitive mistakes. Dear explorers, today we have learned that the Mandela Effect is an example of how our memory can create and keep memories that did not really happen. Remember, our brain is amazing, but sometimes it can surprise us. I cannot wait for our next adventures and discoveries on Knowledge Island. See you soon.